Abata zora na neoma. Chifabi na weyebo. Amansangene kuru.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mac TV. Mac here with another exciting, lighting, and interesting video here on the channel. So Obi Cubana, in his fulfillment to his people, the people of Oba, he went back to Oba, Anambra State, to supervise the church he promised them during his mother burial that he was going to build. If you could remember, I think the day before yesterday, maybe 1 month, exactly 1 month, he laid his mother to rest, and the big boy went back there. He's also donated some security vehicle for the people there, and that's what we'll be bringing here. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, share comments in the comment section. Your thoughts, your comments are highly welcome here. Obi Cubana, in his regular way, is this kind of person that always loves to keep to his promises. As well, he was in the University of Enugu, where he was spotted giving advice to some of the students there. All of that is what we'll be bringing here on this video. Enjoy. Don't forget to share a comment.
Asiwaju Igbo niile abe nwa hey odogo ebege wakwa walonza aye bre odogo solemeta ala sadba odogo lea Dobra mwina bago mo. Ojingaje riche. Yegere ndebo. Dogu entemetu ma.
They will deliver this shot before December.
Obi Cubana never disappoints, and I think he's too big enough to keep to his words when he says things. And you could see he did not just go there empty-handed. He delivered to his promise and still did more for his people. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment in the comment section. See you guys on my next